Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we are back at the Dollar General this week doing everyday deals. And at the very end of the video, I got a Saturday 5 off 25 for you, and we are looking at specifically really hot paper deals. So the first two deals, we are going to be working with this guy, which is a 3 off of 15. If you go to the comments, the pinned comments will be the link for this. So you just press it, and then you will get to a page where it will say add to wallet. Then you will have to log into your Dollar General account. So you need your phone number and password, or email and password, however you want to do it. You will add this to your wallet. It will not be in your digital coupons folder. It will be in your wallet. So it'll say your name at the top. It says my deals just for you with the heart. You press that, and that's where it'll say, oh, there's your digital coupon. If you're having trouble, if you have perhaps a teenage son in your house who can just jog you through this, it's a very easy process, but you have to tinker with it a little bit, and you have to log in specifically. You might have to type in your zip as well. A couple rules for this. It seems with inflation, they like to change the cost of items midweek, so definitely double, triple check the cost of items that we're discussing in this video in case they have some weird price increase. Double check that your digital coupons are also in your account. Double check if the IBOTTA rebates are there always. Any issues you have at the till, don't be shy to void. You can always use my old favorite of, I forgot my wallet at home. They'll have to void the transaction. And there are no instant Kimberly-Clark savings. So with the Cottonelle, Scott, and Viva that we usually have, they don't have that, save for when you spend 20. I double, triple check that. I think it's just one of these things that'll pop in and pop out. It's not for this video. So that's why the paper products are a little bit different, but it's still a great deal. Okay, guys, so the first deal that we have is any day. So if you want to go tomorrow or today to go do this deal, you can do it any day of the week. So we're going to load this 3 off 15. And with the cost of inflation and how everything is just a little bit more of the Dollar General, this might be an avenue for a couple of you to take just to get cheaper stuff. And this is the one I'm taking as well. We're grabbing 2 of these sparkle paper towels at $6.95. We have a $1 digital for this little paper towel. There's like different ones as well. So really pay attention that you're scanning the barcode and grabbing the right one. We also have a $1 rebate on coupons.com. So we're going to use 1 digital and then apply for that $1 post with the coupons.com app. Plus IBOTTA is giving back $2 for this specific one. You're going to get $4 back, and the Dollar General is listed. We're also going to grab 2 of these dollar toothbrushes found in the dental care aisle, and we have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching to those toothbrushes. Here's the math, guys, and again, this is an any day deal. 2 of the sparkle paper towel, that 6-pack at $6.95 is $13.90. 2 of those Oral-B dollar brushes is $2 on the nose. So the total that we have here is $15.90. As the cashier is scanning all of your lovely merch, that's when you punch in your phone number. The cashier will press the final pay button. The 3 off $15 general coupon is coming off, along with the $1 for each item. Though that another $3 off there. You're paying $9.90 out of pocket plus your tax. Then you're going to make that $1 submission to coupons.com for one of the sparkle paper towel. The $2 submissions, so $4 back from IBOTTA. You're looking at $4.90 for the 4 products, or $1.22 each. For that sparkle paper towel, yes. Now, if you want to go really full tilt with the paper products, we're going to look at another any day deal. Again, we need our old friend loaded to our store card, and this is once per month per store card to use this 3 off 15, just to note that. So if you used it already, you have to really pick and choose when you can use it. So for the little basket here, we're going to grab one of these 4-packs, 4 megas of the Cottonelle, the 6 count of the sparkle paper towel, and then that Scott for $5, but it's actually $4.75 this week. And I'm just going to show you the products in the store. We have the $5.25. It's like a really massive roll of toilet paper, and we have that $1 digital we need to load. And then for $4.75, and then we have a $1 digital for Old Faithful, which is Scott. And then the final product at $6.95, and we have a $1 digital for this product. And I did scan the other sparkles, and this is the one that's working with this digital coupon along with the IBOTTA rebate. Okay guys, so one Cottonelle at $5.25, one Scott for $4.75, and one Sparkle for $6.95 for a grand total of $16.95. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The cashier hits the final pay button. The 3 off 15 is coming off, along with the dollar digitals for the Scott, Cottonelle, and Sparkle. You're paying $10.95 plus your tax, then you're making that $2 submission to the IBOTTA app. Final price point here is $8.95 for the 3 or $2.98 per paper product. As you're buying both the Cottonelle and Scott, that is a Kimberly-Clark product. It is part of the Fetch Rewards catalog. Photograph your receipt for some extra points with the Fetch Rewards app. That will qualify for a little something pour vous. Now, if you are so lucky in the store and you could track down this $5 pack of toilet paper by Cottonelle, it's $5. We have that dollar, so it's better than $5.25 for the smaller pack. But this might be harder because I know it was a big part of the clearance event that happened in June. But if you can track some down, by all means, it's 25 cents less. And if you are so very, very lucky, these Centrum Minis are exactly $3. They're on some clearance, so look for them in the clearance section. We have a $4 digital, making it free, plus $1 of overage. So with that $1 of overage, you know, if you threw it into one of these baskets, you would save an extra buck. But it is a really, really hard item to find. I went to 2 different Dollar Generals to track down a couple visuals for this, and I could not find a single one. So I think people got them during the last clearance event when it was giving a little bit of overage. But definitely keep your eyes peeled for this. You might have better luck than I. Okay, friends, now we're going to look for a deal for Saturday, July the 23rd. We're going to use this guy, which is the 5 off 25. Now, if you have the 3 off 15 and this one loaded, 3 off 15 will come off before this one. So please make sure you have one or the other. Or if you're just doing Saturday, just have this guy. Now we're going to grab one of these Chic Intuition razors for $7.50. And we have a very generous $4 digital that showed up last Sunday. We're also going to grab this guy in the basket, which is the Canine Carryout for $1. This is an older digital, but if you don't have it, just grab something very cheap to get your basket to $25. Now, in the last basket that I showed you, the Any Day deal, we're going to grab these same paper products, our usual suspect, the Cottonelle, the Sparkle, and the Scott. And then we need to load these digital coupons that include the $1 off for the Cottonelle, the $1 off for the Scott, and then the $1 off for the Sparkle. So these 3 digitals also, make sure you have it loaded along with the 5 off 25. Looking at the mathematics for this one, one of the Cottonelle for $5.25, one Scott for $4.75, and one Sparkle for $6.95. Added to this basket for a Saturday is that Intuition razor for $7.50, one Canine treat for $1. So the total for the basket is $25.45. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number on the keypad. Cashier hits the final pay button. 5 off 25 Saturday is coming off, along with $7.25 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $13.20 out of pocket plus your tax. Then you're making that $2 submission to IBOTTA for the Sparkle paper towel. Double, triple check it's still there on Saturday. So it makes it $11.20 for the 5 items, or $2.24 per product. And remember, this is a Saturday deal only. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.